is Treacle's birthday today, so currently we are on birthday walkies to get her a cake and cookies. And I know since I always make cakes, I should be making them, but I don't have time, so we're gonna go buy one. Oh, bus. No, 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 we're not drinking standing water. That's not safe. Scary. She's an introvert. Okay, so I'm back from the store and I got 3 different things because I have a problem. The first one are these, and they say happy birthday and Paddington is coming. And so this is just a bunch of cookies. Then this is, I've seen this everywhere. BarkBox sells it too. It is like a little, I guess, puff pie. So it's like a birthday cake, and I've always been curious about it. And then this is from a company that is based in Ontario called Bosco and Roxy's, and it's a Yeti. If you guys know my dad, if you've seen my dad in my videos, you know why I got this. So I think I'm gonna save this to show him so he can give the dogs. Also, this is so massive. Oh my god, it's like human size. So we are going to serve these ones, and obviously they're not gonna eat everything today. They're gonna taste it, and then I'll use these as like little potty treats whenever they go to the bathroom in the right spot. Is very excited about all the food and all the cookies. Oh yes, yes. It's not even your party, you little pig. So because Treacle is, no, stop it. Treacle is a bit of an introvert, so we're not bringing other dogs here today because she wouldn't be happy about that. I think her ideal situation would be just her, and like Paddington could go off and like go somewhere else. But yeah, so it's just her and Paddington, and they get little treats, and then I'm gonna give her her presents. So yes. Okay, so Paddington thinks it's for him. Okay. Here. Paddington's like, I'll just eat all the cookies. Okay, and now it is the molasses cake. That is more like cookie texture. And Paddington is a little pig and decides that everything is for himself. So, happy birthday to Treacle. I'm eating your birthday cake. Is that what you're saying? Oh, there's molasses in it, which is actually what treacle means in like UK English. So she's eating herself? I don't know. No intention of stopping. Just keeps going. Excuse me, little man. Oh my god. You little piggy. Oh, Treacle's coming back. Treacle's coming back for more. The reason why I'm holding it is because she needs to learn to take smaller bites, because sometimes she just takes the whole thing and then tries to swallow it and then she chokes on it. Okay, Paddington, enough, enough, enough. You've eaten so much. Oh my god. Treacle, it's delicious. It's delicious. Are you done? Look at this pig. That's not even your birthday cookie. Okay, so the prizes, the toys I got Treacle are 2 little things that they have to pull toys out of. They don't like the act of pulling the toys out of, but the little toys that you get are tiny and they love this size. So this one has little chipmunks, and then I got a little carrot, and there are rabbits inside, and both of these are from Amazon, so I will link them below if you want to pick them up, and they all have little squeakers. Treacle is angry and hates life. It's so cute. It's a little long for her, but I think it'll be good. Look at you. You wish it was your birthday again, don't you? All right, so Paddington is much more interested in the present than Treacle is. Treacle Chestnut. So in here, Treacle is a little chipmunk. There we go. There we go. Oh. Back to her lair. She refuses to take part. This is like day 2 of the birthday party, and Treacle refuses to take part in the presents. Paddington is much more excited about everything. Hello! Oh, what's that? Takes it and leaves, of course. Part of him still thinks that he is an only puppy, and every toy is for him, which is not true. There we go. So she loves sitting under the Christmas tree. It's like her little spot. There we go. Oh, she likes it. She likes the bunny. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Treacle was like half enthusiastic about her birthday, but either way, she had the cookies and she has the presents, so I guess that's her party. Paddington is so much more social and excited and like camera friendly than she is, so she just like wants to be on her own and enjoy her little cookies. So as long as she had a good day, I'm happy about it. But yeah, so Cookmas is starting on Monday, which is like my Christmas video series. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you get notified when that starts, because there's so many videos coming for you guys. I can't wait for you to see them. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye!